Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are doing another hack. We're also using some gels and things that you can find on Amazon. I wanted to include that as well for those that are saying that the Dollar Tree doesn't have a lot of the stuff, so I wanted to include both things. But I want to do a little disclaimer really quick, so let's talk about it. I do these hacks. I've been doing these hacks since 2016, and I got like 3 people that commented some hate on this channel. And I just want to say, y'all, I've been doing this since 2016. I will delete and block you from my channel. It is nothing for me to delete and block you. Actually, it's very easy to just go in, delete the comment, and block you. So I just want to say, don't waste your time. Actually, if you do want to waste your time, be my guest. And I've always said in all of my videos, make sure at your own risk, make sure that you know what you're allergic to, things like that. Because I've been doing them since 2016, doesn't mean that you should go ahead and do them now. It's a hack video. It's the same thing like people try hacks online and mix this with that and do this with that. If you're mad because you're probably gonna lose out on $200 on nails because somebody is doing them for $3, baby, just say that. Like just say that that's what's going on. Because it's insane how much the nail prices are. And I am a licensed nail tech. I've been a licensed nail tech for 12 years. What do you think you're putting on your nails? When you go and you put on acrylic and you put on gel, and gel causes contact dermatitis, and people are mad because of this, and people are mad because of that. So what do you think you're putting on your nails? So you're mad because I'm putting baking soda on my nails and glue. Do you know what baking soda is? Anyways, you know what? We're not even gonna go there because I'm not. But yeah, I've been doing this hack for many years. I do not have contact dermatitis. You wanna know why? Because I actually use this hack more than I actually use acrylic. Because acrylic makes my throat itch and like it just makes my whole face swollen, and I just don't like it. So yeah, it bothers me. So I rather do this hack better than I do acrylic, and it lasts weeks. I don't have no itchiness around my nail beds, no nothing. I just wanted to say that I've been doing this since 2016. Your little comments do not bother me, and I will delete and block you like it ain't your mama's business. I sure would. And I would not feel bad about it at all. But I did want to just say, try the hack at your own risk. I do want to say that. I've said it and everything. I actually have it posted on this channel at the top, at your own risk. I also have it on TikTok, at your own risk, because it is something that you don't know if you're allergic to. I've been doing it for many years, and you know, I don't have an allergic reaction to it, so I don't really know what to say about that, but everybody is different. It is very true. But yeah, I love y'all so much. Let's get into this video because them comments was just stupid. And if you're mad because you're going to lose a little bit of money because nobody's going to want to go to you anymore to do their nails because they're doing hack videos and hack nails, baby, you should lower your prices because those prices are insane. They're ridiculous. And I'm a nail tech. Half of y'all get y'all stuff from Temu, so stop. But we're not going to go there. So I love y'all so much. And I will see you in the next upcoming video. Also, really quick, I would like to mention that if you're gonna talk about me, make sure you unsubscribe, because I don't know why you're subscribed to my channel but showing so much hate. Baby, just unsubscribe, because you do know that every time you view the video I get paid for it, right? Okay, I'm just saying, that's only if you want to. If not, you can keep viewing it and leaving dirty comments, mad comments, mean comments. It doesn't matter, because I still get paid for it. I love you guys.
We're going to go in with our normal steps of finding our nail tips, prepping our nails, and gluing on our nail tips. I did it a little bit different this time because I am doubling up the nail tips. You guys have been wanting to see this, and this is how I used to do them. So here it goes. We are putting another one on just to make the nails a tad bit longer. You can do them as long as you want, but I did them just a bit shorter than normal. But I'm thinking next go around we might do them extra long and see how the baking soda holds up.
Ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Nah, nah. Get me back to you.
I also wanted to show you that you can use a nail drill for prepping your nails. A lot of you guys have asked. If you can, you can. You can also use it during the baking soda hack. I don't really like to use it, like I mentioned before. I rather use a nail file because it does file off everything. But if you have a steady hand and you know how to use the nail drill really, really good, then I don't see why you couldn't. I just say be careful about filing a lot off. But other than that, be my guest on using the nail drill.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it.
A lot of you guys were asking if I can do the baking soda with the base gel, and I am going to show you why I do not like it. I've tried it on this channel many times, but I'm going to show you why I do not actually like that hack. And I'm just going to spill a little bit of baking soda on a napkin really quick. I'm going to dip my nail in there, but I'm going to show you why I do not like this nail hack. And I'd rather do it with glue, which I'm going to do the glue. I have a nail lamp here. I would not recommend using this one because this one is not going to dry under all those layers. I tried it and I do not recommend it. I do not like it because it does not dry, and I just don't want to cause any allergic reactions to myself. So, but I am gonna go in with the gel. I'm gonna pat it. I'm actually gonna clean up the sides as well, because then I'm just going to cure it for 30 seconds. Honestly, how I feel is that this one does go a little bit quicker. I just don't like that it comes out bulky. Comes out actually really, really bulky. Like the sides, if you do not clean them up correctly, it will be so bulky. I still would recommend just using nail glue and the baking soda. It's cheaper. Like, why would you not? It's very cheap compared to like a top coat. This would probably be like $8 for the top and the base, when you can do the glue with the baking soda.
Also, I do want to say that I keep a cotton round with some alcohol just so I can wipe off my fingertips of cleaning off the gel and the baking soda. I don't want to catch any contact dermatitis, so I'm just going to clean that off every time.
Yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out.
All right, you guys, I'm gonna go in with a few more coats, but I'm gonna do it off camera because I'm gonna do all my other ones just so it doesn't get repetitive for you guys.
I'm gonna go in with this gel color from Beetles. I like it because it's a nice like pinkish tone to do a nice like French, so that is why I went with this. You could have just left it white if you wanted to, but if you want to, but I'm going to go in with this pinkish color. And it was a lot easier to use the nail polish striping brushes with a gel top coat on top than it is to not. But I mean, if you are going to be on a budget, then I would say put a regular base coat on and then use the striping brushes. Maybe we should try it one day and see how that works.
To get me back to you, coach. Yeah.
I'm just going to do a simple Halloween nail, so I'm doing some French and a little mummy and also doing a cute little pumpkin, but I am doing it in black and white. I seen a whole bunch of people doing this style in black and white and I truly fell in love, so hey, we needed to try it and I love the way that they came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this little hack, and it does work, you guys. It just takes a little bit, so I just wanted to tell you that. But yeah, this is how they came out and they are absolutely beautiful. So I'll see you guys in the next video.
Cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you, coach. Get me back to you. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Yeah, to get me back to you. Take it all off, yeah. Make me go insane. You're making me see, yeah. I want you to scream, yeah. I like that melanin. You make me go na 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 na. She got that melanin. La 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 la. Umaro, umaro, merito, merito. Umaro, umaro, merito, merito. Melano, umaro, merito, merito. Umaro, umaro. First time I laid eyes upon you, big smile and my thighs, I caught you. Hands up high, let me put gloves on you. You know, I swear I adore you, and I will make you my wife. Put the love on me. I like that melanin. You got that melanin. merito, yeah. Umano, umano, merito, merito. Umano, umano, merito, merito. Milano, umano, merito, merito. Umano, umano. Umano, umano, merito, merito. Umano, umano. Umano, umano, merito, merito. Merito, merito.
Talk to me